I add bread with milk and make this summer special kulfi ice cream. And the result is super creamy, rich and absolutely delicious. It's perfect for hot summer days, and once you try it, you will want to make it again and again. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. First, I am taking 2 cups of milk in a pan. I will turn on the heat and let it warm up a bit. Now I am adding cardamom powder 1/4 teaspoon, just a little for that nice aroma. And now I am adding 1/4 cup of sugar for sweetness. I will let this come to a gentle boil. And I will keep mixing in between so it does not stick to the bottom. After a few minutes, you will notice the milk getting slightly thicker. That's exactly what we want. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Now I am taking 3 bread slices and I am adding them straight into the hot milk. Now I will mix everything gently. You will see the bread soaking up the milk and becoming really soft. At this stage, it might look a bit lumpy, but don't worry. This is what gives the dessert that rich texture. Now I will turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. Don't skip this step, it's really important. Once it's fully cooled, I will transfer it into a blender jar and blend it until smooth and creamy. You will see the texture change completely. It becomes thick, smooth and almost like a creamy base. Now I am pouring this mixture into a container. You can use any mold or box you have at home. And now it goes into the fridge. I will leave it for at least 6 hours or overnight for the best result. And yes, after chilling, it turns into a super creamy, soft, kulfi style dessert. It's rich, chilled and perfect for summer. It's hard to believe it's made with just milk and bread. Do try this at home and let me know how it turned out. And that's it. My super easy milk and bread kulfi ice cream is ready. Just look at that. So creamy, smooth and perfectly set. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next delicious recipe.